don't know if you'll be able to pick this up, but it's kinda eerie. Danny thinks it could be a freight train, but I'm not so sure. Very, very weird indeed. Very weird indeed. Not liking it at all. Very weird. Got no idea what it could be. There's nothing special about tonight. It could have something to do with the wind and Simpson's malt, maybe. That's happened before. But I thought maybe it was an aeroplane, a helicopter. But nope. Very, very eerie indeed. Very, very eerie. It's disappearing a bit now, and it's coming back. Very unnerving it is. Very unnerving.